as well as make sure to comment if there's any questions about the Warhawk that you want me to address during the review. So let's get going and shake down the Warhawk. Well, I'm basically almost done with my shakedown. I'm actually surprisingly impressed with this bike for a few reasons. Initial impressions, again, the steel is real. It definitely helps soak up the bumps. The 37C Riddler WTB tire upgrade that I did, totally worth it. Even in this size, as you can see in some of the footage I even got through this muddy patch because it rained recently, and even with them caked up, they still actually gripped pretty well. Next, the gearing on this, State definitely did their research. It's definitely way too light on the street, so if you're thinking about commuting with this bike, you're gonna want something bigger because you spin out basically on the flats super fast. But once you get to some more challenging terrain and chunky stuff, especially when it's either hilly or really thick and muddy like I just experienced, the gearing's fantastic for that. So for cross racing, I can totally see this being a great gear ratio unless the course is super flat or you're just a real powerful rider. Brakes, I haven't had Canties in a long time, but these actually modulate really well for just being a mid-level, low-level, I don't know, Tektro. The hoods I'm not a super big fan of, but with the quick release on them, it makes it easier to pop the wheels in and out. I've been actually really happy with it so far. Please make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on so you can be there for my full review coming later down the line. And if you guys, again, have any questions, please comment below, and I'll make sure to address those in the full review. So thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.